like me better when I wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It is Foundation Hunt Friday. I look crazy. Hopefully I won't by the end of the video. I don't know what's going on with the powder that I told you guys about in the haul video, but the goal is consistency this year. So I'm gonna still post today's foundation. You see the title, you know the brand, you know they usually be putting out some heat, so let's go. If you are new to my channel, Foundation Hunt is where I hunt the foundations for you. I give you an idea of what you're getting into before you even look into it, and if it's even worth looking into. Today's is this new NYX Make 'em Wonder 24-hour soft matte foundation. This retails for $16 for 1.01 fluid ounces. This comes in, I think, 44 shades, and I picked it up in the shade 38 Deep Truffle. While I'm here, let me look, because I know I wear Cocoa in Born to Glow, and sometimes you can usually use the same shades in some of these drugstore foundations. So I'm looking like, why didn't I get Cocoa this time? Because I do have a Cocoa, but I'm seeing that it's Cocoa with a cool undertone. So I got the shade under that, which would be Deep Truffle with a neutral undertone. I'm looking at the bottle. Hopefully I made the right decision. Let's see. Goodbye Catfish Hello Skincare Infused Foundation. NYX Professional Makeup Make 'em Wonder Foundation provides up to 24 hours soft matte buildable coverage that covers everything but feels like nothing. Details. Skincare infused formula in 45 undetectable shades. Looks like real skin. Just smoother, more even, and brighter. Infused with vitamin C. Buildable formula. Goes hard, feels weightless on skin, fade and transfer resistant, sweat resistant, waterproof, provides all day shine control, flawless finish, hyaluronic acid. Okay, so let's get into it. This is what it looks like. If it looks a little gleamy today, it's raining. Actually, there's a very bad storm that is heading to Georgia, so y'all already know the South is not prepared for weather like that. I don't know, y'all. I don't know how this is about to go. But again, when you have a neutral undertone, you gotta trust the process. Go ahead and blend it out. Let it set on your face to really see the color. Because the neutral undertone foundations, but I trust NYX. For the most part, they don't let me down, so. I'm going to go ahead and finish my entire face. I have a hair appointment coming up, so I don't feel like doing anything, like any actual styles or anything, so we just free balling it until then, y'all. So it's gonna get bigger, bigger and bigger up until that appointment. But that is it for my face today. And see, that's why I said if you're a neutral undertone, you just gotta let it rock. Gotta see it through the process. Because okay, NYX. Okay, hold on. I told y'all. And so it is 1:09. So I'm going to go. I will check in midday, and then I will see you back later tonight so you know how this held up on my face. Now it is already, is that rain or snow? I'm not sure, but I don't know if I'll have to go outside today, but if I do, I guess we'll also find out, because I didn't say it was like water resistant or something like that. We gonna find out. Okay, bye. Okay, y'all, it is 10:49. This is what my face looks like. Because baby, one thing about it, NYX does not miss. NYX does not miss. Excuse me. Now, I was a little worried when I first put it on. One, because it's a soft matte foundation, but it is wintertime, so I was like, is it gonna give a little too much matte? But nah, babes, this is one thing about it. NYX knows how to do a foundation, whether it's a soft matte foundation, natural foundation, glowy foundation. They know how to do a foundation. It is still a soft matte foundation, and if you have dry skin, I feel like this is one you could still test. You could still test it out. I don't feel like it's going to be overly drying, especially if you make sure you absolutely hydrate the rest of your face with other products and don't use any other matte products. If you wanted to, because sometimes people still want to try matte products. They still want to try dewy products, even though they have oily skin. So I think this is one that you probably could get away with, but do keep in mind it is a soft matte foundation. And you see, and the other reason I was worried about it is because when I was trying to blend it out, I don't know, like it wasn't not moving, but like, you know, sometimes there are products, they just like melt into your skin. That wasn't one of them. I'm not gonna lie, I was a little bit, I'm like, okay, I don't know about that, but it blended out. In the wintertime, it's usually above my eyebrows that will get oily first. I don't feel like it is. And then my T-zone, I don't recall what time I left for the day, but I want to say it's been somewhere around 11 hours, 12 hours. And I feel like this is that my makeup is marinated face. Not, you know, I'm oily after the gym or Sahara, dry, desert. I feel like this looks like when your face like fully marinates. It's been worn makeup that still looks good. It makes it look a little bit more natural on your face. You know, some of your oils have blended into the makeup. I feel like that's what it looks like 11, 12 hours later. And I could keep going because y'all know I also do not like feeling makeup on my face. I don't feel anything on my face. Very lightweight. I think it being that type of liquid foundation helps with that. And even though, like, you know, blending it out wasn't, I do still feel like it blended in pretty well with the other products that I put on my face. Like, I blended in with concealer, and like hours later, again, it just looks like everything has seamed together. I didn't experience any transferring through the day. I did watch what I ate, so there's no like product on my bottom lip, so product hasn't left my face, anything like that. Hold on, because I ain't been impressed like that with the foundation in a minute. I did like the first foundation on Friday, but y'all know I tried that last year. The Maybelline Superstay, that is also a soft matte foundation. But I mean, hold on, like they both good. But I do think I would give this like an extra point because I think this is like travel friendly from the packaging. I don't know where it is. The packaging, very easy to travel with, and I think I might. If you said, Shanygne, do you like it more than Maybelline? Because I really do like Maybelline. I put that in my yearly favorites, all of that. I don't know, y'all, but I like it. I can tell you that. I like it. Hold on. You know, you just looking at yourself because you feel like, and I feel like that 11, 12 hours later. Now this is what, $16, I think? Foundation, drugstore foundation is getting a little bit more expensive, but still it's $16. And if it's good, comes in 44 shades, go ahead and pick it up. Thank you. Is there anything else? I would say, because it is such like a liquidy product and the dispenser for the packaging, out of the bottle, pretty like medium coverage foundation. You can share it out if you want to. You can build it up if you want to. And I think you can wear it any of those ways. Sheer, medium, full coverage. It'll look good on the face. I don't think it'll look cakey. Can't feel it. I ain't experienced any transfer. I'm trying to think. Yeah. Add to cart. So yeah, y'all, that is it for today's video. I hope seeing me test this out has helped. If any of you were thinking of checking it out for yourself, it's a little early for me to be wrapping it up, but TT is tired. She wants to go to bed, so she wants to go ahead, take a shower, wash this off, and get ready for the night. And you know, I feel like that was a decent time frame for me to go ahead and test it out. I hope seeing me test this out has helped. If any of you are thinking of checking it out, so yeah, when I start tripping over my words, it's because it's time for me to go to bed. So I hope seeing me test this out has helped. If any of you were thinking of checking it out for yourself, make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. Definitely make sure you let me know what foundations you guys would like to see next. And yeah, thank you all for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye.